Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, ito yung details. Madam P. Search mo na lang yan sa Facebook. Madam Space P. Lagyan mo na lang ng space pa sa dulo para mas madali mo siyang ma-search. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire ng personal reading. Pwede rin naman sa Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI. Diyan ka makaka-avail ng mga products, Dreamcatcher, Evil Eyes, crystals, and bracelets na available sa amin. All cleansed and blessed before shipping. Let's start what we have here for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Main energy. Fire sign, you do have here desire. Oh, very fiery. Waves. Person that you are dealing with. Escapade. And alien. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Pa-comment ako dyan, guys, ha. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. So, okay, the way I see this, actually with the desire and waves, nakikita natin ito as your emotions. There's a lot of lust. Physically attracted ka talaga dito sa person na kakonect mo, no? A lot of emotions. Gustong-gusto mo siya. Sexually attracted ka din sa kanya. Nakikita natin ito as may connection sa inyo spiritually. Itong person mo could be the runner. Pwedeng umiiwas, lumalayo. Pwedeng wala kang balita sa kanya, or pwedeng kung hindi man siya umiiwas, there's just this no connection, no communication sa inyong dalawa. Pero pwedeng lumalabas pa rin siya sa dreams mo. Kaya, hindi mo maiwasan. O kung hindi man dreams, guys, yung iba fantasies. 'Di ba? Hindi mo siya maiwasang hindi isipin. Sabihin na natin pagpantasyahan, ano? Especially for those of you who are sexually active or during sexual encounter kahit sa ibang tao. Pwedeng nararamdaman mo na or na-experience mo yung pag-iisip dito sa person na to sexually kahit hindi mo pilitin. Talagang lumalabas siya sa panaginip mo. Sa pantasya mo. Yung iba, kung hindi man siya sexually connection mo with another person, could be when you're doing, sabihin na natin, pagmamasturbate or what. And I can see, you are a fire sign, definitely. Hindi mo, part of you is really in fire. So, by the way, nakaka-amoy ako ng pusa. I don't know if you do have pusa or if you like pets such as cat or meron ka niyan ngayon or maybe your person may alagang pusa. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong ito. Emotion ninyo ng person na to sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have your meeting. Okay, so there's 2 or more connection na involved dito sa connection na ito. 2 or more people. Meron ditong on the table. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga, someone here could be committed already. Pwedeng committed na ang isa sa inyo. Ayan, commitment. Kasasabi ko lang. And TikTok. So, pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan. And you could be dealing with someone who is already in another relationship. And parang walang choice kundi umiwas or lumayo. No? But I feel like yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon ka ng awakening nung nagkaroon siya ng connection sa iba. No? You are parang nagkaroon ng, and I don't know, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nag-blooming yung person mo. Nakakita ko ng pagbo-blooming na iba na yung itsura niya, na iba na siya compared to in the past. So, nung nangyari yun, nagkaroon ka ng awakening na parang bakit hindi ko to nakita dati? And then yung person mo is like, actually wala talaga akong makitang energy sa kanya, but rather very silent, walang communication eh. Yung person mo, wala tayong nakikitang emotion sa kanya ngayon. No? Kung committed, yun nga, kung nagkaroon ng another commitment sa kanya, concentrated siya doon sa connection na yun. Wala sa'yo. Diba? So, ikaw naman, lalo ka nagising sa katotohanan regarding sa connection ninyo. What will happen in the near future? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the near future for the both of you. In the near future, fire sign. History is here. Sold. Okay. Divine Masculine. And one last card. You do have here receipt. Oh, ito na yung nasa isip ko kanina bago ko makuha. Kasi, it's like sold here. Ayan. Sold. Nakita ko pa lang to. I was thinking the card of receipt. At ayan, lumabas na nga siya. So, in the near future, there's a lot of ending. No? Parang wala tayong choice eh. Kailangan nang mag-end. No? Nandun yung wala ka nang makitang some of you mahihirapan kang i-reconnect. Itong connection na to, kung gugustuhin mong i-reconnect, gusto mo siya, pinagpapantasyan mo siya, gusto mo ng chance sa inyong dalawa. But it's so hard, lalo na some of you, both of you are already taken. No? Pareho kayong taken. Kung hindi ka pa taken, soon you will be taken. Pero hindi sa kanya. No? Yung person mo is a divine masculine. I see this as a connection na parang yung person mo in the future, alam niyang kaya niya yung sarili niya. Kahit wala ka, kahit wala ang, kahit sino, no? Parang kaya niya yung sarili niya. And, yeah. Medyo mahirap lang kalimutan tong connection na to, pero eventually, there's a lot of lessons with the karmic ang pwedeng ma-experience dito. Ang pwedeng ikaw. Be careful, guys, especially during this time. This is timeless, guys, timeless reading. Hindi ako naglalagay ng month or kung anong date para itong reading na to, kung para saang date siya or month. Kasi I am reading timeless readings. But, around this time, habang nare-reading ko to, Venus is currently in retrograde. So, 40 days yan. Magtatagal. Because Venus in retrograde, during this time, pwede hindi mo maiwasan na maiisip or maalala tong taong to. And medyo if you are in a relationship, there's a possibility of pwedeng masusubok si relasyon. Magkakaroon ng either growth sa relationship or ending. Well, the way I see this, nakakita tayo ng growth with another relationship, but yun nga, sabi ko nga, yung iba, kung hindi ka pa taken, pwedeng maging taken ka na. But if you're already taken, pwedeng may planning about what to do next sa relasyon. No? And, pero, honestly, nandun yung pagiging, alam mong may hinahanap ka pa eh. Alam mong hindi ka satisfied sa relasyon na to. Although nagkakaroon ng growth, hindi ito yung growth na parang may kulang pa rin eh. Parang hindi pa rin ito yung gusto mo or hindi ito yung ina-expect mo. Anyway, your person in the past, wala nga akong masyadong energy na kukuha sa kanya. So, for now, nandun yung, naalala mo siya, pero siya, sa ngayon, hindi ka niya naaalala. Kasi may kakonect siyang iba. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.